How to use Outlook's categories and folders for email organization. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For using the categories, it allows you to color code and label emails for easy identification. You can assign multiple categories to a single email to keep things organized. In order to do so, right-click on the email that you want to add to category. From the inbox option, you will see a category option. You can assign a color or custom name the category. If you want to create a new category, select on all categories and then tap on new. Enter a new name for the category. After that, you can assign multiple options to the email by clicking on the option. In order to search by category, go to search bar, type in the category name to view all the emails associated with it. Likewise, you can do the same for the folders option as well. You can even set up rules to automatically move emails into folders based on specific criteria like sender, the subject, or keywords. In order to do so, you have the option called as rules and alerts. So search for it and then tap on new rule. After that, follow the steps to create the rule. It is quite simple as you just have to select on the specific option that you want to use for folders as well as categories. And this way you should be good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.